The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about YouTube Music. So I'm on the YouTube official blog here. So if you guys can check this out, I'll link to this video down below. So if you guys don't know, Google is killing Play Music later this year. So Play Music will be made more after this year. So Google is finally going to kill Play Music and replace it with YouTube Music. So yeah. So it says that YouTube Music is making it simple to transfer over your Google Play Music library. So this is really cool, but I am sad that I'm sad that Play Music is going away. I love Play Music a lot. It's the best music streaming service in my personal opinion. So it's sad that it's going away. It says that over the past few years, we have enhanced YouTube Music to deliver a comprehensive listening experience, and have also added features to make Google Play Music users feel right at home. Starting today, or yesterday rather, we are excited to officially begin inviting Google Play Music listeners to effortlessly transfer their music libraries, personal tastes, preferences, and playlists to YouTube Music, their new home for music listening and discovery. For now, users will continue to have access to both services. We want to ensure everyone has time to transfer their content and get used to YouTube Music, so we will provide plenty of notice ahead of users no longer having access to Google Play Music later this year. So like I said, Play Music is going away later this year. Google is going to kill it for good and replace it with YouTube Music. So Google wants you, if you guys have Play Music right now, Google wants you to have plenty of time to transfer your content over to YouTube Music if you guys want to do that. Easy transfer and transition. We know many listeners have spent a lot of time creating their perfect music and podcast libraries and Google Play Music. So we've made it simple to move both to their new homes. All Google Play Music users will soon receive an email with detailed instructions on how to begin transferring their full Google Play Music history and content, as well as podcasts, to their new homes. Music fans will be able to start the transfer process of their music library to YouTube Music by following these simple steps. What you do is download the YouTube Music app for Android and iOS devices, of course. Click on the transfer button in YouTube Music, and your uploads, purchases, added songs and albums, personal and subscribe playlists, likes and dislikes, your edit stations, and personal taste preferences will move right over. Your updated recommendations will appear immediately on the YouTube Music home screen, and we will notify you via email and notifications when the music library transfer is complete and your music is in the library tab. Alright? So I'll show you guys how to do it right here. So that is a video that on YouTube or whatever. So that is really nice of they have a video for you guys to check out. So basically what you do is download YouTube Music, transfer your music, and then start exploring and listening to your music. Pretty simple, And if you're a podcast listener, you can visit this webpage and transfer your subscriptions and episode progress to Google Podcasts with a simple click. Google Podcasts is our dedicated podcast player available for free for Android and iOS, and accessible from Google Assistant, Google Search, Google Home, and more. So your podcast will be transferred over to Google Podcasts. So that's pretty cool. We are looking forward to Google Play Music Users transferring their library so they can begin listening and exploring on YouTube Music and Google Podcasts. Your new home for music, YouTube Music. For listeners new to YouTube Music, the streaming service is your personal guide to the world of music, simply organized in an app and web player. A bit more on what YouTube Music has to offer. Catalog. YouTube Music offers over 50 million official tracks, albums, and high-quality audio, as well as deep cuts, beats, B-sides, live performances, and remixes you can't find anywhere else. Listen everywhere. Explore YouTube Music's audio first music app, desktop, and smart speaker experience. Recommendations. Discover new music through YouTube Music home screen with recommendations and personalized mixes. By mix, discover mix and new release mix. Based on taste, location, time of day, and play music preferences after transferring official playlist. Listen to thousands of official playlists on both YouTube Music and Google Play Music. We have listened to Google Play Music user feedback and recently introduced additional new features to YouTube Music for fans to enjoy. Some of the YouTube Music features we're most excited to share include the following, with more updates on the way. In there, playlist creation. We have increased playlist length from 1,000 to 5,000 songs to make room for even more of your favorite songs. Uploads. You can listen to your uploaded and purchase music from Google Play Music after you transfer, or add up to 100,000 personal tracks to your library in YouTube Music. That's an increase. That's an increase from 50,000 compared to Play Music. We also have offline listening as well, which is really cool. Paying members can download any song, playlist, music. So you do have to pay to get this feature, which is offline listening, which will let you download any song, playlist, music, video, or that smart downloads. Do it for you so you can always have something to listen to even when you don't have service. Lyrics all following visible access to the following tracks. Explore tab and all new Explore tab, offering one go-to place to discover new music and YouTube Music's vast catalog of playlists through new release and moods and genre sections. Pricing. This is very important. Existing pricing is the same between Google Play Music and YouTube Music. Fans can enjoy the ad-supported version of YouTube Music for free, or enjoy YouTube Music Premium, a paid membership that gives listeners background listening, downloads, and an ad-free experience for $9.99 a month. That is YouTube Music Premium. That is $9.99 a month. Or you can try YouTube Premium to extend ad-free background listening and offline playback across all of YouTube for $11.99 a month. So that's pretty cool. So you have two options. You have YouTube Music Premium, or you have YouTube Premium, right? So choices are with that. Google Play Music. Google Play Music Unlimited members will be automatically granted the equivalent tier of YouTube Music Premium or YouTube Premium based on the level of benefits with their current subscription at the same price. We can't wait for you to start exploring YouTube Music features and discovering new music tips along the way. Have more questions or need help, check out all of our supported resources here. So yeah, this is the end of an era. So Google is finally calling off Google Play Music later this year. Unfortunately, I'm sad about that because I love Play Music a lot. I think it's the best streaming service in my personal opinion. That's just my opinion. But it's only the place for YouTube Music. You guys will be able to transfer all of your content from Play Music to YouTube Music. So that is really cool. If you guys pay for Play Music now, you guys will be granted the equivalent tier of YouTube Music, depending on what your plan was with Play Music. You'll have the same type of plan with YouTube Music. So that's really cool there. So you know, it's a sad time, you know. Personally, I think, you know, personally, it's a sad time because never Play Music is going to work forever. Like I said, I do love Play Music a lot. It's the best streaming service in my opinion for music. And you know, YouTube Music will now have some of the Play Music features on there, so that is pretty cool. So if you guys have Play Music right now, when you guys transfer over to YouTube Music, you guys will feel right at home with that, so that is really nice. They are giving you a lot of time to transfer your stuff over to YouTube Music, so they're gonna kill you on Play Music later this year. I don't know when, sometime later this year that they'll kill it for good. I think Play Music's been around since what, 2011. So it's been around for about it's been around about what, 9 years. And I think YouTube Music has been around for what, 4 or 5 years now. So yeah. You know, this is very interesting, and we'll see how this thing plays out. So now Google is now finally killing Play Music and replacing it with YouTube Music. So yeah, like I said, if you guys have Play Music right now, transfer your stuff over to YouTube Music and you guys will be good to go. So that is pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and let us know what. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in this one. Peace out.